to the state, say cathedral, Rua da Sé. Oh, say what you wanna say. Oh, won't you say what you wanna say. Back in the year 1560, 500 years ago, Say was here, just a wooden bamboo church. Oh, 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 say what you wanna say. Oh, won't you say what you wanna say. From the bells of the church to the cobblestone way, Say's got it all, what more can I say? With every step, a new surprise. Say's a place where old and new arise. Oh, say what you wanna say. Oh, won't you say what you wanna say. So if you're in Macau, go to say again, every single day. Go to say, and say some things you wanna say.
Okay, we're gonna start this video at Sé Street, Rua da Sé. And before we even go up, we're also gonna check out this new mall right here, maybe see if it's even open. It's at 9 in the morning right now. And then this is the street that we're at, which is San Malo, kind of a main street here with all the black and white and the lanterns. That goes up to Central Street, which is the heart of historic Macau. And then that goes over to Sonata Square. So what we're gonna do is go up that way. Okay, Sé Lane. This is named after a church. Actually, the Chinese name, and I'll put that up behind me, is actually says that it's like a big church lane. So, but there's actually like 5 or 6 Sés in this area, but this is kind of the main one, the Sé Street. And so you probably saw snippets of it in the video already. And now you're going to see it up on the map exactly where it's at. And now I'm going to do the walk and talk where I walk through and narrate, and you can kind of hear me guide you along and give you some other information about it. And also I'm going to put the lyrics to the song. So I've been creating stuff with AI, so that's already behind me now. And yeah, it's just kind of I just put the lyrics and I find another AI program to create it into a genre. And try to create something and put it and share it with you guys. So okay, let's get into the walk and talk. Sé Street, Macau. Pew, pew. Okay, so let's go up. This is the post office right here. And we have some Macau World Heritage signs. It says 30, 25, and 75, so that's kind of everywhere at this time. And it's because it's a 25-year anniversary since the handover from Portugal to China, and 75 years of communist government in China. So that is what those signs are for, and they're celebrating that at this time. And now you can kind of go look all the way down into Central Street. Let me point that out a little bit. Now you can't see with the sign. There we go. So it's right up there. So that goes all the way down to Bara, Amma Temple, Sao. There's several churches down there. St. Lazarus. So all of those are down there. Post office there. It's a beautiful plaza. Beautiful buildings. So yeah, historically, you'd have this street that would just kind of look down onto that street, and then you go up towards Peña Hill. Peña Hill is the church as well. Peña Church, sorry. There's Peña Hill and Peña Church is on top of it. Here's a Cathedral Cafe. Beautiful, beautiful architecture. Looks like it's open today too. Rua da Sé. And now they just they have some nice places to sit outside here too. And this right here, I don't know if we can go in or not. I don't see the opening spot. Let's just kind of walk down a little bit. Beef noodles. So M8. Looks like it's mostly from DFS. I'm gonna walk in and take a look around, see what it's all about. So I guess it opens at 10 o'clock. And I think it's basically DFS, which is in some of the casinos as well. Shopping experiences. That is a patio. So that patio is part of Sé as well. But yeah, I really like the fact that they have these really nice balconies. I'm going to keep on walking down because I want to share more. There's a St. Joseph's Diocese. And we have a little subway in the corner as well. Okay, I guess he's doing a pickup delivery. So that's all the patio back in that way. And there's so that bus right there is connected with this San Jose. I didn't realize they had a thing right there. It's kind of quiet today. It's still Sunday morning, so. But that's our Target street right there. We're gonna keep on going down, including this little plaza right here. So this is Sé Square, and then this goes down to São Domingos. This is São Domingos Lane, and then it goes down to São Domingos Plaza. I'm gonna walk through this. Got a nice fountain here. So this is Sé Plaza, Sé Square. It's not what they say. And then Sé keeps going down, so we have a Sé street, but we also have Sé Cathedral. Let me just go into this area. There's another YouTuber. Historic Center of Macau, Sé. Rua da Sé, Sé Cathedral, and more. We have all of these beautiful buildings. This is the Cartorio. I think let me just see if I can look in here though. So it looks like they got a lot of books about Christianity. And I really like that statue. You can see it. There's a statue in there with like a Chinese female Catholic person. And then this right here is Bishop Lane, Travessa de Bispo. And you also have some nice, what is this called? I forget what this is called right here. Bishop's house, okay. 1835, 1992. So the bishops live here. And there's a nice Aloe plants, are those aloe plants? And then there's also Jesus, Mother Mary. Sorry, Mother Mary is in the distance there. So that's basically the Sé area. We're just gonna stroll back a little bit towards the crowds. Black and white tiles. And it's gonna come up. There's another sign here. Looks like this sign is so right there, 1622. So this one is since 1622. So yeah, most of the historic stuff kind of follows all the way down that way, and it also includes this right here, kind of the center, a little bit upland from the ocean. And on that note, we're gonna end the video, but this is Sé Street.
Oh, say,